Hey everyone, this is Mike with JetAdmin, and in this video we'll learn about Data Editor, which is an instrumental piece of functionality within JetAdmin. But before answering questions of what is it for, what is it, how do I even use that, why does it exist, let's first take a look at the typical process of building applications using no-code and low-code tools. So we have our data, in my case it's Airtable, and then we just, after connecting this data to our application, to our builder, we build our application, and then at the end of the day, we get our app, and that's it. But there are a few flaws to this process. There are a few drawbacks. What if in my Airtable, I have different field types, such as select field or checkmark field. And obviously, I want those fields, when I bring my data inside of the builder, inside of the app, I want those fields to be rendered correctly. For example, this checkmark to be rendered as checkmark. And moreover, I don't want this to be rendered as it is just once in one UI component. I don't want to go over and over again changing this field type in every UI component that I have. Because as you build more and more complex apps, you have more and more UI components that will interact with this particular table. And every time you want this check mark to be rendered as check mark. So that's the first example. Another example could be you've made certain changes in your data structure. You've removed a bunch of columns and you added a few, and you want to make sure that those changes have been synced correctly into the app builder. And to address all those issues, in JetAdmin, we've implemented this intermediate step in the form of a data editor. Data editor allows you to do lots of cool things. You can revise connected data, first of all, to make sure it's been connected correctly. You can add or delete collections. You can make structural changes, add new columns, remove columns, hide columns. You can also control integration settings. And obviously editing values, like you can click into, let's move actually into this. You can click into this cell and edit it right away. And finally, you can do some really cool advanced stuff like data blending. For example, if you have several different tables, several different collections sitting in different data sources like Stripe, Zendesk, and Postgres, and they're all related, and you want to consolidate them into one nice table, one nice collection, you can do it inside of JetAdmin, even with no code, without writing SQL. And you can also write custom SQL. You can write very complex queries of joining and aggregating data across multiple data sources. All right, that was our introduction to Data Editor. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great one. Bye.